In the Philippines, coastal towns are turning waste into resilience by repurposing old denim jeans into sand-filled flood barriers. These makeshift buffers are created by stitching together discarded jeans into durable sacks, which are then tightly packed with sand and stacked along vulnerable shoreline areas. The result is a low-cost, reusable flood defense system that both protects communities and reduces textile waste. Denim is naturally tough, water-resistant, and breathable, making it an ideal material for temporary flood buffers. The thick weave helps slow incoming water while allowing drainage, preventing pressure buildup behind the barrier. When filled with sand, the denim sacks become heavy, stable, and less prone to shifting than synthetic alternatives. They're especially effective for small-scale coastal surges or to line canals, doorways, and alleyways during seasonal rains. Local communities often collect and sew the sacks themselves, turning old clothing into a civic tool. Some municipalities partner with tailoring cooperatives or disaster response groups to streamline the production and deployment process. After use, the denim sacks can be repaired, refilled, or composted if combined with biodegradable threads. This grassroots approach to flood mitigation demonstrates how circular design can meet urgent climate needs, transforming discarded fabric into frontline protection.